Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the dreaded Valorant has encountered a connection error message that tells you to relaunch the client. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common cause of this error is that the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat service, BGC, has stopped running in the background. We need to force it to start automatically. First, go to your Windows search bar at the bottom left and type Services. Click on the Services app to open it. Once the list loads, click on any item and press the letter V on your keyboard to jump down to the V section. Look for a service named VGC. This is the Vanguard anti-cheat. Right-click on VGC and select Properties. In the window that pops up, change the startup type from Manual to Automatic. Click Apply, and then, if the Start button is clickable, click it to force the service to run immediately. Click OK to close the window. Sometimes, even if the service is set to automatic, your system configuration might be blocking it on startup. Go back to your Windows search bar and type msconfig or System Configuration and hit Enter. In the window that appears, click on the Services tab at the top. Before you do anything else, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services at the bottom left. This is crucial so you don't disable anything important. Now scroll down the list and find VGC again. Make sure the checkbox next to VGC is ticked. If it was unchecked, tick it, then click Apply and OK. Windows will likely ask you to restart, but wait just a moment as we have one last step. Finally, to ensure a clean connection to the Riot servers, we are going to clear out your old network cache. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This is important. In the black window, type the following command exactly: ipconfig //flushdns and hit Enter. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Now you can restart your computer, launch Valorant, and you should be able to play without the connection error. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Valorant connection loop and get back into your matches. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.